What would it be like if your whole life changed? It is never too late for you to come back and get your GED or your diploma. Never. You don't have to wait until September, and you don't have to wait until the new year. You can call or visit our website and someone will reach out to you to get you started right away. Do you need evening classes? We can accommodate that. Do you need daytime classes? We can accommodate that too. Fully virtual or fully in person? We do both. We want you to join our Asher family because once you come here, once you walk through these doors, you are a member of our family.
My teachers are very engaged. They really care here. They are supportive, understanding. They want you to do good and succeed here.
Our GED prep program prepares you to succeed by reinforcing what you already know and strengthening any weak areas. Our adult high school completion program is for everyone over the age of 22. You work to finish your high school credits virtually in a time frame that works for your work and family schedule.
Asher helped me by knowing the seriousness of being intentional about my future, knowing that it's never too late. They taught me consistency and being persistent in learning, I can have a better future.
I work with Atlas students online, and a lot of my students pick the online environment so they can move at their own pace or so they can take classes at the time that works best for them. The traditional learning environment couldn't accommodate their needs. So instead of taking the option of not getting a high school diploma, they come to Atlas, where they can make that happen, where we can give them what they need.
We will do anything in our power to get you to that graduation stage. Your success, your future is everything to us. So what if?